By age 60, people with diabetes can lose up to 30% more leg muscle mass than those without it. Could your diet be the game changer? In this video, we're revealing the 7 diabetes power foods that strengthen leg muscles. These signs aren't just cosmetic, they can signal deeper issues with circulation, insulin resistance, or even immune function. That's why recognizing them early is so important. But before we dive in, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you find this information valuable. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Diabetics Circle and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Stay tuned until the end because we have 3 incredible gifts that will empower you to take control of your diabetes management. Let's get started. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon is a nutrient powerhouse, offering high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that directly support muscle strength and recovery. Protein is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers, while omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, both crucial for people with diabetes, who often face circulation challenges. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2015 found that older adults who consumed omega-3-rich fish like salmon experienced a significant increase in thigh muscle volume after 6 months, compared to those who didn't. This makes salmon particularly valuable for slowing or reversing diabetes-related muscle loss. Aim for 2 servings per week, prepared by grilling, baking, or steaming to preserve nutrients. Pairing salmon with leafy greens and whole grains creates a balanced meal that supports both muscle recovery and blood sugar stability. There's also a plant-based powerhouse that delivers muscle-friendly nutrients without spiking blood sugar. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are a low-glycemic, plant-based source of protein, fiber, and minerals like magnesium and potassium, all critical for muscle function and glucose control. Protein helps repair muscle tissue after activity, while fiber slows carbohydrate absorption to prevent blood sugar spikes. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing cramps, and potassium maintains fluid balance for optimal muscle performance. Lentils are also rich in iron, which enhances oxygen delivery to leg muscles, improving stamina and recovery. They're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Add them to soups, salads, or stews for a hearty, nutrient-dense meal. Cooking with herbs and spices instead of salt helps maintain healthy circulation, which is essential for muscle strength in the legs. For best results, pair lentils with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or tomatoes to boost iron absorption. This simple combination can enhance energy levels and support consistent muscle performance. Up next, this nutrient-rich snack can be eaten anywhere and helps keep your legs strong while satisfying hunger. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are packed with plant-based protein, vitamin E, and magnesium, making them one of the most convenient snacks for supporting muscle health in diabetes. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress, while magnesium aids in muscle recovery and supports nerve function. The healthy fats in almonds provide long-lasting energy without spiking blood sugar, making them ideal before or after light exercise. Their combination of protein and fiber helps maintain satiety, which supports weight management, an important factor in both muscle health and glucose control. A small handful daily can be eaten alone, added to oatmeal, or tossed into salads for extra crunch and nutrients. Choosing raw or dry roasted almonds without added salt or sugar ensures maximum benefits. Regular almond consumption can help maintain muscle mass, improve endurance, and support overall metabolic health. This next food not only fuels muscle repair, but also improves circulation to the legs, enhancing endurance and strength. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. It's also rich in magnesium, iron, and fiber, which together promote muscle function and help regulate blood sugar. As a gluten-free whole grain, quinoa provides slow-digesting carbohydrates that supply steady energy to muscles without causing rapid glucose spikes. Iron supports oxygen transport to working muscles, aiding in endurance and recovery. Quinoa's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your diet. Use it as a base for salads, a side dish, or even a breakfast bowl. Cooking quinoa in low-sodium broth enhances flavor without adding excess salt, and pairing it with colorful vegetables boosts its nutrient profile. Including quinoa regularly can help ensure your leg muscles receive the amino acids and minerals they need to stay strong, even when faced with the challenges of diabetes. We're now deep into the list, and it's clear what you feel on your muscles can be far more than just surface level. Between what science knows about muscle preservation and what most people believe, there's a silent disconnect that puts leg strength at risk. Many think muscle loss in diabetes is simply a natural part of aging, an unavoidable decline that nothing can slow. This belief quietly robs people of the chance to fight back. The real conflict isn't just with the condition itself, but with habits that accelerate the damage, skipping protein-rich meals, relying on refined carbs for quick energy, and ignoring circulation health until symptoms appear. The empowering truth? Muscle decline is not inevitable. By pairing targeted nutrients with regular movement, supporting vascular health, and avoiding prolonged inactivity, you can protect and even rebuild lower body strength. Up next, one that helps both muscle repair and blood sugar stability, and it's found in a food many eat daily. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is rich in nitrates, magnesium, and vitamin K, all crucial for muscle strength, bone health, and circulation. Nitrates improve blood flow to muscles, enhancing endurance and recovery. A study in the Journal of Nutrition in 2011 found dietary nitrates from vegetables like spinach improved muscle efficiency, meaning muscles needed less oxygen for the same work. For people with diabetes, better circulation helps offset nerve damage and fatigue in the legs. Spinach also provides antioxidants to combat inflammation and magnesium for muscle contraction and relaxation. It's versatile. Add to salads, omelets, smoothies, or sauté lightly with olive oil to retain nutrients. Next, there's a creamy, nutrient-packed food that supports both muscle and nerve function, making it a double win for leg strength. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich powerhouse that supports muscle repair, bone strength, and overall metabolic health, all essential for maintaining strong legs with diabetes. Its high protein content provides the amino acids needed to rebuild muscle fibers after activity, while calcium helps keep bones dense and resilient, reducing the risk of fractures. The probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, which can indirectly improve nutrient absorption and energy production, both important for muscle performance. Its naturally lower lactose content makes it easier to digest for many people, and the balance of protein and carbohydrates makes it an excellent choice for post-activity recovery without causing sharp blood sugar spikes. For maximum benefit, choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid hidden sugars. Enhance flavor and nutrition by adding fresh berries for antioxidants or a sprinkle of nuts for healthy fats. Including Greek yogurt a few times a week can help preserve muscle mass, boost recovery, and keep your legs strong and functional for years to come. Before we unveil our number 1 food, let's pause for a moment. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouth-watering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Then, for those of you who love to cook, we're excited to present a special recipe book. This collection is packed with ingenious diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts. These recipes are designed to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, the result of 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss, providing you with a simple yet effective nightly routine to help keep your blood sugar levels in check. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now let's return to our countdown and unveil the number 1 food that stands as a pillar in the 7 diabetes power foods that strengthen leg muscles. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and bioavailable protein sources, containing all 9 essential amino acids in a form your body can easily use for muscle repair and growth. They also provide vitamin D, which supports muscle function and bone health, and choline, which plays a role in nerve signaling, both critical for maintaining strong, responsive leg muscles. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2017 found that consuming whole eggs after resistance exercise promoted greater muscle protein synthesis than eating egg whites alone, suggesting that the yolk's nutrients enhance recovery and muscle building. For people with diabetes, eggs are a low-carb, nutrient-dense food that supports muscle health without causing blood sugar spikes. They can be boiled, poached, or scrambled with vegetables for a balanced, muscle-friendly meal. Including eggs regularly in your diet ensures a steady supply of high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, giving your legs the strength and endurance they need to stay active and functional for years to come. So there you have it, 7 diabetes power foods that strengthen leg muscles. These foods deliver the protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients your muscles need, while also helping to stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation that can weaken your legs over time. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you noticed stronger legs or better stamina since improving your diet? Which of these muscle-supporting foods will you start adding to your meals this week? Share your journey in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to take control of their health and make positive changes. If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetics Circle, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. The Super Thanks feature is also a wonderful way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. They're packed with tips, recipes, and innovative strategies designed to help you manage and even prevent diabetes. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.